What to eat when you don't know what to eat. Sometimes, deciding what to eat feels like an impossible task. When you're unsure, it's best to keep things simple with easy, nutritious options that don't require too much thought. Here are 10 quick and healthy meal ideas for when you just can't decide. 1. Eggs. Eggs are a go-to option. Whether scrambled, boiled, or fried, they're quick, packed with protein, and can be paired with vegetables or whole grain toast. 2. Oatmeal. Oats are versatile and filling. Add fruits, nuts, or seeds to a bowl of oatmeal for a balanced and satisfying meal. 3. Smoothies. A smoothie can be made in minutes. Blend greens, fruits, yogurt, or protein powder for a nutrient-packed drink. 4. Grain bowls. Use quinoa, rice, or another whole grain as a base. Add vegetables, beans, and a drizzle of olive oil for a simple, nourishing bowl. 5. Avocado toast. Spread avocado on whole grain toast, top with an egg or seeds for extra nutrition, and enjoy a quick meal. 6. Canned beans. Canned beans or lentils are great pantry staples. Mix them with vegetables and a vinaigrette for a simple, healthy dish. 7. Soup. Soup is comforting and easy. Add vegetables, beans, or grains to a basic broth for a satisfying meal. 8. Frozen vegetables. Steam or stir-fry frozen vegetables for a quick side or mix them into pasta or rice dishes. 9. Peanut butter and crackers. Whole grain crackers with peanut butter make for an easy snack that's full of protein and healthy fats. 10. Greek yogurt. Top Greek yogurt with honey, nuts, or fruits for a quick and nutritious meal or snack. When you don't know what to eat, these easy options can save you time and help you make healthier choices. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.